Duct legends. With the duct color fill legends, engineers can visualize the velocity pressure, pressure drop, and flow by applying color fills to duct segments in a system. On the Annotate ribbon, select the Duct Legend tool from the Color Fill panel. Click to place the legend somewhere in the drawing area and create the color scheme. In the Choose Color Scheme dialog, for color scheme, select Duct Color Fill Flow and click OK. You should now see the color legend populated and a color fill applied to the duct in the floor plan view, highlighting the pressure drop calculations for each subsegment of duct. The settings and rules controlling this color fill can be adjusted to suit, so let's take a look at that now. Click on the color legend in the view and select the Edit Scheme from the Textual ribbon. Notice that this legend is currently set to the Duct Fill Flow scheme. The title is Duct Pressure Drop Legend. The color control is set to the pressure drop parameter, and the rule is set to by value. It is possible to create multiple schemes, each with varied settings as required to achieve different color fill plans. As an example, let's add a new scheme to show the velocity of the duct subsegments by range. In the Edit Color Scheme dialog box, select the flow scheme from the list on the right and click the duplicate button at the bottom of the window. Set the name to Duct Color Fill Velocity and click OK. Change the title to Duct Velocity Legend set the color control to the velocity parameter and set the rule to by range. Notice that instead of a specific value, we now have ranges indicating the colors. Add a few more range values to the legend by selecting the first row and clicking the Add Value green cross button. Then click OK. Notice that the color legend has now updated to show the velocity value ranges set, and the duct system in the plan view has now been color filled appropriately to indicate the velocity of each subsegment. Select the color legend once more and click the Edit Type button from the properties. Here the user has some control over the graphical and textual representation of the legend. We can choose to switch the title on and off, amongst other controls for text heights and color and fonts, etc. Click OK. In the next step, we are going to have a look at the pressure loss report.